Hi, this video is about replacing the data cable or wiring harness on a FUYL 5 Pro tower in situations where LocknCharge support sends a replacement wiring harness, or if you just need to reseat the data cables due to intermittent communication errors between the locks and the main control door. For safety purposes, you'll want to power the tower down by removing it from the main wall power source or disconnecting the power connector from the rear of the tower. Use the provided security keys to open the side and front control door module. Disconnect the data cable from the rear of the control door by pressing down on the notch and then pull it away from the door. You most likely have a plastic sheathing to wrap the cables. Go ahead and unwrap it so that you can separate the cables. On the side panel, you'll just unplug each data cable from each individual lock. Take the replacement wiring harness and reverse the procedures by starting from the bottom lock module and working your way up while securing the cables in the cable retainer. Plug the data cable into the control door and replace the plastic sheathing to prevent any pinch points and to protect the cables. Close the doors while securing the locks and power the unit back up. Once the tower is fully powered up, you'll need to readdress the locks, especially if there's any rainbowing of lights on the bay doors. Enter the admin menu on the tower using your PIN code. If the tower has not yet been connected to the cloud, the default PIN is 31082018. Otherwise, use your PIN code that can be found in your admin profile in the LocknCharge.io cloud portal. Choose readdress locks and then OK, and let the tower cycle through and reboot. If at the completion your lights are solid, then you're done. If they're still rainbowing, then we'd recommend performing a factory reset.